I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 15. Today's lesson, A. Okay, Jessica. Today we're going to learn about the diphthongs. Two vowel sounds joined together to make one sound. Jessica, what is this sound?
E.
Good. And this sound?
E.
Okay, I'm going to take this sound E and I'm going to give it to you to hold. Oh, nice. And I'm going to take this sound here and I'm going to hold this sound. What's your sound?
E.
And my sound?
E.
Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to say your sound and then slide across to my sound. Ready?
E.
Good. Again?
E.
Good. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to say more of your sound and just a little bit of my sound. Ready? Let's go.
E. E.
Good. So you want maybe about 60% of your sound A and about 40% of my sound E. A. A. Can you do that?
E.
Good.
E.
Good. And make sure that you arrive at my sound.
E.
Good. So A.
E.
Good. A.
E.
Perfect. So what I do is I take your E and I take my I and I put them together and I come up with a new sound A. Here, Jessica, I'm giving you this new sound A. Can you put that sound on the chart for me?
E.
Well done, Jessica. That's the sound A.
E.
Excellent. Well done.